Okay, so now we got this mostly sanded. This is going to be the prop for photographs. You can see it's got some imperfections, and on the back, the flip side, the side we're not going to use, it's got a lot more imperfections, but we'll fix those too. But right now, we're going to fill this with some Platinum Patch Advanced Exterior Filler, and it's made for the elements. It says it tells us, kind of focuses there. Tells us it's weatherproof, waterproof, and it's resistant. And on the back, and the great deal of instructions, it says it's sandable in 2 to 4 hours. And you got to mix it first. Sandable in 2 to 4 hours, and it is paintable and sandable, which is kind of why we got it. Comes out white, so that'll kind of be a little bit more obvious for my imperfections and where to sand at, rather than some other products. I went with this over the Elmer's wood filler, simply because this is paintable, sandable, and a little bit more weatherproof than what they offer. So that's what we're doing this evening, and just kind of give you a little bit of an update.